Ever wondered how to make the perfect chicken quesadillas at home? Welcome to our culinary journey where we explore the flavors of Mexican cuisine. Today we're diving into the world of chicken quesadillas, a delightful mix of tender shredded chicken, gooey cheddar cheese, and vibrant vegetables, all nestled within a lightly toasted flour tortilla. This dish is a symphony of textures and flavors that will surely tickle your taste buds. Stay tuned to learn the step-by-step process of creating this delicious dish at home. To start, ensure you have all the necessary ingredients at hand. Let's begin with the basics: flour tortillas, cooked shredded chicken, and shredded cheddar cheese. To add a burst of freshness and crunch, we'll need diced tomatoes and diced green bell peppers. But we're not stopping there. For an extra zing, consider optional toppings like sour cream or salsa. These condiments will elevate your chicken quesadillas to a whole new level. Now that we have all the ingredients, it's time to dive into the cooking process. The first step in creating chicken quesadillas is assembling them. Start by heating a non-stick skillet over a medium flame. Once it's warm, gently place a flour tortilla in the center. Now let's add some flavor. On half of the tortilla, evenly sprinkle a generous handful of shredded cheddar cheese. This will act as a delicious glue for our ingredients. Next, layer on the cooked shredded chicken. This adds a hearty protein punch that's sure to satisfy. Now, for some freshness and crunch, scatter diced tomatoes and green bell peppers over the chicken. If you fancy a bit more kick, feel free to add in any of your favorite toppings, maybe some jalapenos or a sprinkle of chili flakes. Then, fold the tortilla in half, encapsulating all those delectable ingredients. Press it lightly with your spatula to ensure everything melds together. And there you have it! With our quesadillas assembled, we're ready to cook them to perfection. Now comes the exciting part, cooking the quesadillas. Let's get that non-stick skillet nicely heated over medium heat. Ever so gently, place your assembled quesadilla into the skillet. You'll want to ensure that half of it is sprinkled with that delightful shredded cheese. Following the cheese, add your cooked chicken, diced tomatoes, and green bell peppers. You can add any other desired toppings at this point. Then, fold the tortilla in half with a sense of care and affection. Now let's let the magic happen. Cook your quesadilla for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. What we're looking for is a beautifully melted cheese and a tortilla that's lightly browned, giving that perfect mix of crunch and softness. Remember, good cooking is about patience. After a couple of minutes, your quesadilla will transform into a culinary masterpiece, ready to be devoured. And there you have it, perfectly cooked chicken quesadillas. Our chicken quesadillas are now ready to be served. Let's get these beauties to the table. To make each bite as enjoyable as possible, cut the quesadillas into wedges. This makes them easier to handle and perfect for dipping. Speaking of dips, don't forget the sour cream and salsa. These condiments add a fantastic layer of flavor, enhancing the richness of the cheese and the zest of the bell peppers. So, grab a wedge, dunk it in your favorite dip, and take a bite. Enjoy your homemade chicken quesadillas. Let's quickly run through the process again. First, gather your ingredients: flour tortillas, shredded chicken, cheddar cheese, diced tomatoes, and green bell peppers. Then, assemble your quesadillas in a non-stick skillet, layering cheese, chicken, tomatoes, and peppers on one half of the tortilla. Fold it over and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Cut into wedges and serve with your choice of salsa or sour cream. With this easy recipe, you can now impress your friends and family with homemade chicken quesadillas. Until next time, happy cooking!